Those are a lot of balls you have to take to the football field. But are they going to be safe from thieves? Oh, I see. Matilda is going to look over Troy. Off you go. What are you up to, Zitron? You can't steal the balls. Matilda is watching over them. Don't even think about it. Matilda! Zitron teleported on top of Troy! Maybe we should get Robo to help. Robo! Zitron is trying to steal the footballs! You thought it would be easy, huh? Is that all you got? He teleported again! Behind you, Robo! He's going to steal the footballs! That's great help, Troy! Zitron can't keep balance! Give up, Zitron! Robo! Watch out! He took out his Zitronic! Careful, Robo! Dodge it, Robo! Oh no! He blinded you! Robo! Are you okay? Evil Zitron is going to steal the footballs! This doesn't end here, Zitron. You have to do something! You can't let him escape! That's right! Matilda, do you want to fuse with Robo?
Hey!
Let's go! And the police siren! Time to catch Zitron! Stop right there, thief! Great save! Now, throw the handcuff lasso! Oh no, you missed! Car City is safe again! Now Troy can carry the footballs again! Anyone else wants to play? That's what you get for being a thief, Zitron.